Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to use all of the sounds that we have learned so far to do our chaining. So I have set up my board like this, and you can also set up your board at home because today we're going to be chaining for spelling instead of reading. That means I'm going to ask you to spell the words on your board for me at home. So we're going to do a little practice and then you're going to get started. Okay, so let's go through. I like to start by doing all of our sounds first, just to make sure we remember them. Let's start with the vowels at the top. I, a, eh. Now let's go through all the consonants that we've learned so far. Z, h, p, d, v, t, n, f, p, s, and k. And I'm going to move my k here because I had two t's there. There we go. Now, these are all of our sounds that we should be really familiar with and good at. And we've been practicing saying the sounds after I build the word, but today you're going to build the word. So let me show you what I mean. I will say, can you build the word zip? Zip, zip. And then you will go ahead and get your letters and put them out at home and spell the word zip. And then we'll go ahead and check it. Zip, zip. Okay, now, are you ready? If this says zip, show me hip. What are the sounds you hear in hip? H, ip, hip. Show me hip. Okay, if you took away the z and put a h, you got it. H, ip, hip. Now you did the spelling. You did the spelling at home and not Mrs. O. That was great. Parents, if you need to pause the video between the words, just go ahead and pause it while they're building the word and to make sure that they have enough time to really work on it themselves. All right, if this says hip, can you show me him? Him? Think about the sounds in him. Ha, im. Okay, I'm gonna take my pa and put a Now I've made the word ha, im, him. Good. If this says him, how could we make it say hit? Hit. Ha, it. Which sound did you put at the end for hit? Ha, it, hit. Good work. If this says hit, how can we make it say hat? Hat. Ha, at, hat. What vowel do we need in there for hat? If you picked the a, you did it. Ha, at, hat. How can we take hat and make it say cat? Cat. Good. At cat. Now, how can we change it to say sat? Sat. Nice work. At sat. If this says sat, how can we have it say that? That. At that. Very good. If this says that, let's change it to say van. Van. An. Van. All right. Now, for our last word, I would like you to make it say fan. Fan. And fan. All right, nice job on doing the sounds. Can you see my thumbs up? And spelling the words. I have left some words there for your mom and dad to have you practice doing some more chaining for spelling at home. All right, thank you very much.